I know I said I wasn't going to take this out because of that yellow wire charging system repair, but I can't help it. I got to go out and run it and make sure the clutch and the brakes work. I just have to. I just have to. Alright. First test. Alright, see if the clutch works. Clutch. Shift. Ooh. Decent. Oh yeah. Clutch works. That's great because I did that. Alright. Front brake. Ooh. Front brake catches. Good. Because otherwise I'd run into my house. Alright. See you on the road. Alright. We're in second gear, so she's shifting. Alright. Where are my big boots? Third gear. She's shifting. Fourth gear. Oh yeah, she's pulling. Rear brake needs adjusted a little bit. That's a far travel. Alright. I'll just have to use the front. Alright. Fourth gear pull. Nice. It is cold. Gotta be careful here. Third gear. Turn signal. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust that rear brake. I don't like that. Oh, I didn't have my turn signal on? Shut my visor, you can hear me a little better. Oh, the sunset, look at that. That's incredible. We're gonna have to go find that. Find a better view of it anyway. Where are we at? Second gear? Yeah, this thing feels pretty solid. I kind of pulled a leg muscle when I stepped over this, so that doesn't feel good. Let's see, are we in second? Downshift to first. Yep. Second. Third. Fourth, fifth, sixth. Overdrive. All right. Wow, overdrive is a weird colored. That's really weird colored. Fifth gear, fourth gear, third gear. Yeah, I shouldn't go far. Okay. We do fine with the turn signals. They just are a far throw. You got to push it the whole way over. She's running great. Now, you noticed she started just fine for me. She's idling good. Like I said, I'm gonna up that idle because I like it to be a little higher. Yeah, buddy. Front brakes seem great. This is a good success story. We gotta repair that charging system wire, which is probably burning out right now, and adjust the rear brake a little better. I never did look at those. First gear. We'll go a little bit farther since I'm really pretty amazed with how good she's doing. She sounds great. Like I said, I have my big boots on, so it's hard to shift and brake, but yeah. Alright, she's idling good. Sometimes they just need a little bit of work through. Alright, first gear. Front brake's good. Here we go. Got turn signal off. Alright, am I first gear still? have no speed. I wonder if that's disconnected. Where's my speedometer? Huh. Yeah, that must be disconnected somewhere. Probably right in the back. Alright. Not a big deal. We have RPMs, that's all that matters, really. It would be nice to know how fast I'm going. But I'm happy that the repairs I've done so far have worked out. Yeah, she's fun. Alright, we'll turn around. I know there's a cop sits up here, so let's turn around and roll back. Because if I go down to the next spot I would turn around, I'm going to be far more tempted to go real fast. And that's, I'm not going to know how fast I'm going. Super responsive. I really want to get that rear brake adjusted. That'd be nice. Oh, I love this bike. I should have checked the fuel filter. It's one thing I did not check. Alright. Let's turn this puppy around. First, neutral. Second. He's actually very smooth. Front brakes are operating flawlessly. Just that rear brake, we definitely need to adjust up. We're gonna have to check that. So what do we need to check? The speedometer. Make sure that's connected correctly, because we're not counting miles either. This bike says it has 23,761, but they're not counting. She sounds amazing. Oh, this is rewarding. Super rewarding. Alright, so I'm going to adjust the idle up a little bit, because I'm still running choke. What's going to happen if I turn off the choke? Curious. Have we done what we needed to do? That's better. I want it to go up a little bit though. Oh, she don't like that. Alright, now we don't know how fast we're gonna go. She's a beast. 750. Beast of a 750. Yeah, I love her. You know, I had an 84 Shadow and I felt a little cramped on it. This is probably exactly the same setup, but this bike sounds amazing. I love it. So, gonna have to clean her up. Alright, so adjust the rear brake, check the speedo, bring up the idle a little bit, and that's it. That's pretty much it. Oh, fuel filter, I should have checked that, yeah. That's probably something I should do. Gonna have to drain the gas again, but I should have done that when I was in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Get out and ride.